Investing your money wisely is a powerful way to build wealth and work toward your financial goals. The first step is to define your objectives, whether it's for retirement, buying a home, funding education, or achieving financial independence. Knowing your goals helps you choose suitable investments and the level of risk you're willing to accept. With your goals in mind, explore the variety of investment options. Stocks represent ownership in companies and have the potential for high returns, though they come with more risk and market fluctuation. Bonds, on the other hand, are more stable, offering interest income as you lend money to companies or governments. They typically offer lower returns but add stability to a portfolio. If you're seeking diversification, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, pool money from many investors to invest in a broad mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. These funds provide an easier way to diversify, which helps manage risk. Real estate is another option, providing the potential for rental income and property value appreciation. There are also digital platforms and robo-advisors that allow you to invest according to your risk tolerance, automating the process for convenience. Investing successfully often requires patience and a long-term perspective, especially as markets can be unpredictable in the short term. Regularly adding to your investments and reviewing your portfolio can also be beneficial. With consistent effort and informed decisions, investing can help you grow wealth and achieve financial stability over time.